Welcome to the grill, and tonight it's Kielbasa night.
Come on in, grab a plate and hold on to your appetite. It's time for Floyd at the Grill.
All right, getting ready to prep our kielbasas. Now the great work about kielbasas is that you really don't have to prep this. Kielbasa, like any other sausage, has already got some seasoning encased with the meat in the encasing. So what we're going to do is just throw those on the grill. We're going to give that a little bit of grill, but your prep work is the bath. So what we have is I've cut up some onions and bell peppers. Got some orange, yellow, and red bell peppers. Capsicums, you would say in the fancy world, but we ain't fancy here. We just call them old bell peppers. That's what we have right there. And before we put any seasoning in there, we'll go ahead and put the liquid in there. And what we're going to do, beer. Yeah, we're going to take some beer. That's a couple of beers. That's we'll put that into the pan here, and that will be our liquid. Beer is going to give it a good extra flavoring onto the sausages, or the kielbasas into the bath, and and will help stir around the flavors as well. Don't worry about the alcohol. There's not a whole lot of alcohol in beer in the first place, but then, you know, you'll have a little bit of the flavor, and the alcohol will cook out as the cook goes along. So we have that. Now we get to our seasoning. We're starting to start out with some Lowry seasoning salt, and sprinkle a good healthy portion in there. And then we'll add some Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning, because it's got a good amount of spices and seasons that will go very well with the kielbasa and this beer. And then, just to heat it up just a little bit, we'll put some Papa's Pepper Extreme in there. And now it's all ready for the grill. Getting our kielbasas ready for the grill. I've already put the bath over on one side of the coals, so that's going to go throughout the cook, and we're going to leave that there. And as this boils along, then we'll dump the kielbasa into the bath. But before that, we want to go ahead and put them on the grill, give them a nice little sear before sticking them into the bath. And so we'll come back after we put these on the grill for a few minutes, flip them around and get the other side grilled up, and then it'll be time to bathe these bad boys. All right, time to flip our kielbasas. Oh, that one's getting a little charred back there in the back. So we'll flip this one over to the front. Yeah, because it's definitely cooked. All right, and we'll flip the rest of them around as well. Yeah, it's a good char on there. And the bath is just about ready as well. We'll start to stir this up a little bit. Get some of those spices moving around. Once the boil starts rolling, it'll get it stirred up even more. And so we'll let that cook just to sear a little bit longer, and get it seared on that side, and then it'll be time to bathe. Grill tips staying around 350 degrees, so it's time to take our kielbasas off here and give them a bath. So yeah, they have charred really well, and time to soak them into that beer bath there. Give it a nice flavor and soaking. And we'll move this bath over more into the coals, so get them heated up a little bit more. All right, it's time to take our kielbasas off the grill. Look, that bath is looking really good, and it's going to be really tasty. Put a couple of buns up to toast a little bit, and we'll take that off and get this off the grill, and this will be time for tasting. This is one of those moments where you wish you could smell this. Oh, this aroma is just wonderful. It's gorgeous. And I can't wait to take a bite of this. Well, first we'll doctor up our toasted buns. We'll put a little Dijon mustard onto the bottom side of the bun. I like to put the condiments on the bottom side, so when you put the sausage in the middle, squeeze it up, it gets it all on all sides and gets covered. We're going to cover it a little bit more. You'll see in a second. We'll take our sausage here, that juiciness, that flavor from the bath. We'll put that in there. And we'll get these two all knotted up here. That's not all. Yeah, we've got these peppers and onions that we can put on there too. So you can add just a little extra on there. And I think I will top that with mustard as well. Why not, you know? You only live once. You should be able to enjoy it. So, kielbasa, beer bath, peppers and onions. Making a mess. Still in mustard. The hoagie roll is a little thick, but it's kielbasa. It's wonderful. I'm tasting a little bit of that heat from that Papa's pepper that we put into the bath as well, and that Cavender's is also coming through. Added with the peppers and onions, gorgeous, delicious flavor, with the exception of me wearing mustard. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you try this out and make your suggestions. Give a comment. Let me know what you think and what you would suggest to cook next. Don't forget your favorite beverage, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok and YouTube. And hope you enjoy. Talk to you next time.
Thanks for watching Floyd at the Grill, a Hilltop Media production.
I'm wearing mustard.